So we got done eating lunch and all that kind of stuff, and we came up here to the room, took a nap. Did you get a nap? A little bit? I got a little bit of a nap. But it's been chill. I mean, obviously there's a lot of chaos downstairs and all that, but that's so cool about doing a back-to-back is that, you know, all your stuff is already unpacked. You know, you're not waiting on your stuff, so it's like a normal day. It was a little bit chaotic there at first, right, with the whole, you know, process of that. Well, it wasn't that chaotic. It was just sitting down in the restaurant, right? Just sitting down in the restaurant, just chilling. But then after that, you know, it's like we need to get money on the card. We need to move our table, assigned table, or I should say, we went to the maitre d'. I'm not sure if that was a maitre d' or not, but we have the your time dining, and we really liked the table we had last week. So we went to them saying, we want this table all week long. So, oh yeah, no problem. So you just have to be in there at a certain time, or they're going to go send it to, you know, they're going to assign someone else that table. So, which is fine. We always like being there early anyway. But so for future reference, if you're wanting a particular table, go and request it. So we're just out here chilling and we're fixing to watch The Dream. Hopefully The Dream will leave before us. That way we could sit here and watch it. And then we'll be leaving. I'm not sure if we leave first or the Royal Caribbean that's down there. But anyway, we're just chilling. A lot of people on the ship, a lot of people walking around. It feels like just a normal day now. Doesn't feel like cruise day because everything is just unpacked already and ready to go. So we're going to eat at Cucina del Capitano. I think I've been saying it wrong the whole time, just like we did last week. And we're just going to enjoy relaxing. Probably hit the Venta up tonight, see what kind of crowds are down there. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Warm, but you know, beautiful for Galveston. What's up, everybody? So we're at the Havana pool on this sea day. Unlike last week, it's real quiet here, so we're gonna enjoy it and fix and hop in the pool. But so beautiful out here tonight, for sure. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. This week we have Honduras, my favorite port, and we may get to go through a tropical storm. We don't know yet. So anyways, talk to you guys later. 73.